Video, I will show you some useful shortcut for Chrome browser. So there are a list of shortcut. First one, Control plus N to open a new window. So press Control plus N. I will show you using on-screen keyboard. So you can learn some useful shortcut. So Control plus N to open new window. If this so press Control plus N, open new window. Like we are here. So to open new window, Control plus N, like this. If you are on any page like Wikipedia, so we are in this page and you want to open a new, so Control plus N. Control plus N. And to open a new window in incognito mode, so Control Shift N. So you can open easily using this shortcut. You can open a new window in incognito mode. So this is the second one. To open a new tab and jump to it, press Ctrl plus T. So as we can see, we can open new tab. Press Ctrl plus T. Reopen previously closed tabs in the order they were closed. Like if you close your tabs, and to open these all closed tabs, so you have to press Ctrl Shift plus T, like this. Ctrl Shift T. I will show you like Wikipedia. Okay, we have on this page, and now we will close. So to reopen that closed, Control Shift T, and make sure it will not work in incognito mode. So I will show you this normal mode of Chrome. So now I will again close that Wikipedia. Now Control Shift and T. So as we can see, you can open this closed tab. Jump to the next open tab. Like if you open some tabs in one tab Wikipedia and another one YouTube, like this, or you can jump easily by pressing control tab, control and tab, like this. You don't need to use mouse, just control and tab, or control page down, or so you will see on your keyboard page down, page up. So just control and page down. So this is the another Shortcut. Jump to the previous open tab. So press Control Shift tab. So Control Shift and tab like this. Jump to a specific tab. Control plus one through, like Control plus one, Control plus two, Control plus three. If you have uh, some tabs, I will show you example like this is the one, two, and here is the Facebook. Okay, and here is the Twitter. So anytime you have and you want to jump using the shortcut, so control and that tab number. Like I want to jump to number three, so control and three like this. So press control and give the number of tab where you want to jump. Jump to the right most tab, so control plus nine. Control plus nine to jump the right most. Open your home page in the current tab. So Alt plus Home tab. So find out the Home tab on your keyboard and press Alt plus Home like this. So in any tab you are, just press Alt plus Home. Open the previous page from your browsing history in the current page. So without going to and search your browsing history, you can use the shortcut. So Alt plus left arrow, Alt plus left arrow like this. So press Alt plus left arrow. Open the next page from your browsing history in the current tab. So right tab, Alt plus right like this. Sorry, it's home. Alt plus right tab. Alt plus right tab. And another, to close the tab, Control plus W. Control plus W to close the tab. So without mouse, you can close tabs. Just press Control and W. So very useful this shortcut. Okay. Now, and also there are option Control plus F4 to close any tab. So Control plus F4. I will try 4. So Control and this one F4. Yes, it's working. So close the current window. If you want, if you open some windows like this is the one and this is the second one, and to close, so control and W, control shift W to close the window like this. Minimize the current window, Alt plus space, and then N. Alt plus space, then N like this. And to maximize, Alt plus space, then X, like this. Alt plus space, then X to minimize and maximize the window. Quite Google Chrome using the shortcut. So it's another one very useful. Press Alt plus F, then X. Alt plus F, then X. Alt plus Alt plus F plus E to exit the Chrome. Alt F and X. So this way you can exit your Chrome. You can quit your Chrome. Alt Chrome. Alt F and X. Sorry, it's not exit, but you can quit the Chrome. And if any shortcut not working, so comment. As we can see, actually we are opening so many windows, so it's getting the time. So many Chrome browser on my device, but this is the shortcut to quit and exit the Chrome browser. So now we closed and exit every browser. I will find out another one. Yes. So another one, to move the tabs right or left. So Control Shift page up or Control Shift page down. Find out the key on your keyboard, page up or page down, and use the Control plus Shift. So this is the a list of shortcut for your Chrome browser. I will give in description, so you can try by self. And in the second video, I will show you some useful shortcut for Google Chrome features. So thanks and stay tuned. If you like this video, so share, like and subscribe this channel.